Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions slash trying a whole bunch of new makeup. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in what feels like a long time, so I haven't had a chance to try out all my new makeup that I've received in the past couple weeks. So I've had quite a buildup of stuff and I'm like itching to try some of these products. So I'm really excited for this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. I use the Nabla Cosmetics Brow Divine in Neptune, which is like a soft brown. And then I carved my brows out with the concealer that I'm gonna be using today, which we will get to soon. Okay, and for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using the new LA Girl eyeshadow palettes. The Hot Heat, is it Hot? Isn't it called Haute Look? Is that how that's spelled? I have no idea. So yeah, I don't know how to pronounce a word. What is new? So they're both called the same things, but this is the purplish one and this is the pinkish one. I'm gonna be using both palettes today, just because I see a bunch of colors in each palette that I'm wanting to use. This is what they look like on the inside. I'm really wanting to try the blue shade in this one and the light lavender shade, but also a few of the pinky shades from this one. So we're just gonna see what happens. And I love how big this mirror is. I just love a good mirror. Love a big mirror, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pinky palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, kind of the blush pink. And I'm just using this crease brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna blend that right into my crease. Oh, I also primed my lids with the concealer that we're using today and the powder that we're using today. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this darker pink magenta-ish color. Is that magenta? And I'm gonna blend that into the crease as well, just kind of deepening up the look. Getting quite a bit of fallout. Okay, and then I'm gonna jump to this dark purple color right here. Taking that on a flat shader brush from Zoeva. Just going to pat that right on my outer V and we're gonna blend that in with the other colors. Okay, not doing super well. Okay, I'm gonna take a little tiny crease brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm just gonna try to blend that into my crease. I don't think this is going to stick very well to my outer V. Yep, just like literally wiped away. I have been having this problem with eyeshadows for a little bit now, and some people in the comments have told me that it might be because I powder my brows, or I powder my lid down after I put concealer, and that I shouldn't put powder on, but I've always primed my lids the same way, so I don't know why it would just all of a sudden stop working. And I don't know, maybe I should try it, but I just feel like I wouldn't get a smooth application if I didn't put powder down beforehand. I don't know if it's just the eyeshadows that I'm using or what, but this keeps happening to me and it's super frustrating. Like, I just want you to be dark. I just want you to be a dark color. Okay, maybe it's just that one color. So I tried the black from the purpley palette. It seems to be working a little bit better. Okay, then taking a pencil brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics again, and I'm just taking that second crease color that we used before, and I'm gonna try to blend out that black without wiping it away. Like, sometimes I just want things to work out for me and not be such a mess all the time. Like, can this eyeshadow just freaking work for me? Or do I suck now? Do I suck at makeup? You know, next time I'm gonna use a really expensive palette to see if it's me. If it doesn't work, if I mess up, then I know that I suck. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Pacifica Natural Minerals Liquid Cover Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in 20 NF. And I'm gonna take some of that concealer on the back of my hand with a little concealer brush. And I'm gonna do a full cut crease today, not a half cut crease, a full cut crease. Let's just see what happens, shall we? This concealer is very sticky. I just don't know how it's gonna work on my face. Okay, so next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this lavender color and use that on the inner portion of the cut crease, and then I'm going to eventually transition to this color and maybe going into this darker blue. I'm not sure yet. We're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, that actually ended up looking pretty good. I just need to clean up the edges a little bit, but first I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I have used this before many times, but I just don't have any new highlighters, and I haven't used this one in a while. Okay, and then going in with some liquid liner, I'm gonna try the Ofra Verified Liquid Liner in black. Okay, not the best, but I'm just relieved that it didn't completely ruin my makeup look. Okay, then I'm going to apply some false lashes. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Double Up lashes in 113. Okay, I'm actually liking how the eyes are turning out, thankfully. I do want to add just a little bit before I move on to the face because I really wanted to try this product out. This is the Too Faced Crystal Whips Shimmering Eyeshadow Veil, and this color is in Pop the Bubbly. I think I want to add just a little bit of this to the edge of the cut crease. Okay, now moving on to the face. So I'm gonna try out this new Farsali Hydration Bay. It's supposed to be a mask and a primer in one, and looks like this. It has like weird jelly bubbles in it, and you're supposed to put it on your skin and leave it there for 10 minutes and then massage the beads into your face, and then that's the primer. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see how this works. I feel like I might have put too much on. Yes, I did. But way too much on, oh my god. Okay, so just wiped a little bit off. My skin is looking real dewy. Okay, and so for foundation today, I'm gonna use the Nabla Cosmetics Close Up Futuristic Foundation, and this is in the shade Light. I think this is gonna be a little bit too dark for me, but I don't mind a slight tan. Kind of smells a little chemically. Okay, then taking that Pacifica concealer again, I'm just gonna get right under my eyes, and then I'm gonna hit any blemishes or high points of my face. Okay, and then for powder, I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula the Healthy powder, and I'm using the color LC1. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that to bake as well. Okay, and then taking that with a big fluffy brush and just patting down the rest of my face. All right, and then going in with the shade DC1. I'm gonna use that to bronze up my face. Okay, and then for blush, I think I've used this before, but if I have, it's been a while, so I'm just gonna use it again. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores blush in Je ne sais quoi. Yes, I definitely have used this before because I remember saying that to a camera. Wow, my skin looks so nice right now. I'm like so full coverage, but I still look like kind of dewy a little bit. I like it, I like it. Okay, and then I'm going to set my face with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. I just don't have any new skin mists with me. And while that's drying down, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take some black eyeliner. This is the Stila Smudge Kajal eyeliner in Intense Black. This is not new. I use this eyeliner all the time. Just don't have any new black eyeliners. I'm going to waterline and go along my lash line as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some of that black eyeshadow from that palette again on a pencil brush, and I'm going to really tap it off because I don't want any of that fallout coming down onto my face. And then taking this rosy color right here, I'm going to use that to smudge out that black. And taking some of that electric blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that Becca highlighter again on my inner corner. And I'm also gonna use that on my own face. Wow, I think I put on a little too much highlighter, but we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna embrace it, it's fine. Okay, and then for lips, I'm just gonna go in with some lip gloss. This is the Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in Pink Slip. This might be a little too much, but we're just gonna do it. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this like first impressions trying new makeup video. I had a lot of fun with it. At first I was a little frustrated, as you could probably tell, just because I haven't been having much luck with eyeshadows lately. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't put on mascara on my lower lashes. By the way, I'm using the Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara. I actually really like it. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I wasn't a huge fan of the eyeshadow palette. I found both of them really hard to work with. Even though I did get a good result, I did have to really work with it to make it work. And I did a pretty similar look to this when I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and that was like super easy to use. It is more expensive than these palettes. But I'm just using that as an example. These foiled colors are super beautiful and I really like them, but is it worth it if they're really hard to work with? I'll leave that one up to you. Everything else I pretty much liked. No major complaints about any specific product besides the eyeshadow. The eyeliner wasn't super opaque, is that the right word? But it did work pretty well. I was using it over a bunch of eyeshadow, so that's probably why it didn't work super well. But I went over it a time or two and it ended up looking really nice. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. Please leave a comment down below on what kind of videos that you're wanting to see. Sometimes I just run out of ideas for videos, so a little bit of help would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.